In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage unsubscribe lists in HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, understanding how to effectively manage your unsubscribe lists is crucial for maintaining healthy communication with your audience. Let's dive right in and explore how you can keep your email campaigns clean and efficient with HubSpot. To begin with, it's important to note that HubSpot automatically takes care of blocking any contacts who have unsubscribed from your emails. This means you don't have to worry about accidentally sending emails to people who have opted out. HubSpot's got your back there. However, creating a segment of these unsubscribed contacts can give you valuable insights into the health of your audience. This is where managing your unsubscribe lists becomes really handy. Let's start by navigating to the right spot in HubSpot. You'll want to head over to your CRM and look for the section labeled Segments, which might also be called Lists, depending on your version. This is your go-to place for managing and organizing your contact lists. Once you're in the Segments section, the next step is to filter your contacts. You'll do this by clicking on Contact Properties. In the search bar, type in Unsubscribe from all email. This will help you pull up the specific filter you need to focus on those who have unsubscribed. Now it's time to set the logic for your filter. You'll want to configure the filter so that it reads is equal to true. This setting ensures that your segment will only include the contacts who have fully opted out of receiving any emails from you. By doing this, you're creating a clear and accurate list of all your unsubscribed contacts. Once this segment is built, you can use it in various ways to enhance your email marketing strategy. One of the most effective uses is as an exclusion list in your reports. By applying this list, you can accurately gauge the size of your true reachable audience. This means you'll have a clear picture of how many people are actually open to receiving your messages, allowing you to tailor your campaigns more effectively. Managing unsubscribe lists in this way not only keeps your email efforts compliant, but also provides you with a more nuanced understanding of your audience's engagement. It helps ensure that your communications are directed towards those who are genuinely interested, ultimately boosting your campaign's effectiveness. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing unsubscribe lists in HubSpot. By regularly checking and updating these lists, you'll maintain a healthier email marketing strategy, ensuring you're always reaching out to a receptive audience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your HubSpot experience.